Hello students, good morning. In last class we have done about the different term related to the magnetism, about the magnetic susceptibility, about the magnetic permeability, and about this term we have done. In today we will do about the classification of the magnetic material and their property. And their magnetic material we are dividing into three types. These magnetic material we are dividing into three types. First our diamagnetic substance. Second our paramagnetic substance. And third our ferromagnetic substances. These are the three type of the substances. Our magnetic material divided into three type: dia, para and ferro. There we will do about their what is diamagnet, para and ferromagnet and their property about these. Diamagnetic substances, these are the weak magnetizing when we are taking inside the magnetic field, and this ferromagnet substance, that is the strongest magnetism, develop magnetism when we are keeping in the magnetic field, and paramagnetic substance lie between dia and ferromagnetic substance. Now we will do about their first diamagnetic substances. Diamagnetic substances. Diamagnetic substances, these substances are those which develop feeble means weak magnetism in opposite direction of the magnetizing field. Such substance are called feebly repelled by magnets. For example, we can write here bismuth, copper, etc. These are the example of the diamagnetic substance which are the developed feebly, that weakly magnetized in opposite direction of the magnetic field, and these are the feebly repelled by the magnet. For example, bismuth and copper. Next our type paramagnet substances. Paramagnet substances. What is paramagnetic substances? Paramagnetic substances are these substances are those which develop feebly magnetizing magnetization in direction of magnetizing field. Such substances are feebly attracted by the magnet. For example, manganese, aluminium, etc. The difference between the diamagnetic substances are opposite direction of the magnetizing field, and here this one is the in same direction of the magnetic field, that magnetization in same direction of the magnetic field. Now third our ferromagnetic substance. Third type our ferromagnetic substances. What is ferromagnetic substances? Those substances which develop strong magnetization in direction of magnetizing field. They are strongly attracted by the magnet. They are also strong magnetization in direction of magnetic field, and they are the strongly attracted by the magnet. And here for example, of the ferromagnetic substances: iron, nickel. When we are keeping these substances inside the magnetic field, then they will get strongly magnetized in the same direction of the magnetic field. Now these are the term of three type of magnetic material. Now here we will do properties. We will do about this. Now first we will do about the diamagnetic substance. Their property we are doing. Then when we are keeping this inside this one, then opposite direction of this magnetic field will apply. First hour, then when placed in an external magnetic field, a diamagnetic substance will magnetization in opposite direction of applied field. That is a diamagnetic substance. And second, when placed in non-uniform, you can understand that is the distribution of a magnetic field is not continuous. That can be in unequal pattern. Magnetic field, a diamagnetic substance move from stronger to weaker part of the field. That is a diamagnetic substance. And we are suspended freely in uniform, that they always align perpendicular to the magnetizing field. Third hour, in two cases we have done about this one. Third hour, when we are keeping that diamagnetic substances in suspended freely in uniform magnetic field, when a rod of diamagnetic material is suspended freely in a uniform magnet field, it align itself perpendicular to the magnetizing field. Next property, the relative permeability mu r is that is negative but positive, less than 1 for diamagnetic substances. It will be relative permittivity is always negative